Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be trying a little bit something a little bit different, well for me anyway. I found an old blank that I've been using for colouring, testing out paints, etc, and it looked about right for what I wanted to do, so I'm now just marking out where I want to put some holes in this wood. I want to do a bit of Milliput tonight. So now just using a Forstner bit, just drilling down in there. I must say these bottom ones worked out quite well. The side ones I wish I'd have gone a little bit deeper, but you'll see that at the end. So I've mixed up some, I've kneaded some of the Milliput. And just doing every other one in black, and I will come back and do the smaller ones in white on the outside, and then I flip that around on the bottom. Like I said, this is just a bit of a test piece really. Lessons learned from this one: drill the holes deeper, add more Milliput. The outer wall of this bowl could have done with being a little bit thicker. Like I say, it was just a test piece, practice piece if you like. So now I'm just truing off the Milliput, and this is 24 hours later. I don't want to take too much off the outside because the shape's pretty much there, and at this point I didn't realise how much I would have to take off from the inside. So now just truing up the bottom. I'm using the Easy Woods mid-sized detailer just to start it off, then coming in with the number 1 hollower, finishing off with the finisher just to get that square shape, and then coming in to detail the mortise. So as you can see on there, I've just put on the Hampshire Sheens pre-thinned cellulose sanding sealer, let that dry, and now coming in with the Yorkshire Grit. Applied it stationary, put it up to 500, worked it in until we buffed it off. And now with the Hampshire Sheens high gloss wax, just working that in, buffing it off, not a lot putting on there at all, and then just slowly buffing that off, and you can see the shine just popping straight away. It's awesome stuff. So now I've flipped it around and I'm starting the hollowing process. I am using the number 1 hollower here. Just working down those sides, working out that middle. I want to keep that centre mass in there because I really do not know how thin I need to go. I know the size of the Forstner bit, so I've got a rough idea, but there were doubts setting in my mind whether I'd gone far enough, and I'm glad I took these precautions, because I should have gone further with that Forstner bit. You'll see at the end. So while I'm hogging this little bit out here, the giveaway that I've been talking about for the last few weeks is going to be happening next week. So thank you to Dremel. I do have a Platinum Edition 8240 to give away, and that's going to one of you guys in the chat. So stay tuned to next week, because I will be telling you guys how to get involved, when to get involved, and when I will be announcing the winner. One thing I would like to say, once that goes out, if you get contacted by anybody about shipping payments, etc., ignore them. I will not ask you for shipping. I'm going to ship this to you at my cost. So I know people have been done in the past, they've been scammed. I don't want you guys to fall into that trap. I will contact the winner and I will discuss the next steps. And trust me, I will not be asking for anything. So, like I say, if you see anything like that, ignore it. So now, we're almost at the bottom of this bowl, and that number one hollower is absolutely eating away at the material. And just now coming back with some final passes. And now on to Klingspor Abrasives, and because of the Milliput, I only started the sanding at 120, and I did work up to 240. Hampshire Sheen sanding sealer there, pretty thin. And onto the Yorkshire Grit. Same process as before. And just pushing that in. Anyway guys, hope you like it. Please stay tuned, look out for that giveaway, and hope to see you next time. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye bye.